Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Matt in Texas on the Stryker SR-955. Matt, you're all ready to go, man. Tune alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, and the tried and true robust TX ERF2030 plus MOSFETs. So let's get right to it. Arc power all the way down, 100 watt slug. Matt, we set it at 2 watts, that way you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. And 20 watts on the high side. Show you average power swing. Oh, that's 68 bird. 250 watt slug and PEP. Oh, looks like about 120 watts PEP. Alright, Matt, it's ready to come to you, Mr. 479 in Texas, from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.